Hi there, welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, your one-stop YouTube channel for all your tech needs. In this video, we will look at software engineering career. In today's world, software engineering is a highly in-demand and lucrative career option. The demand for skilled software engineers is only increasing, and this trend is likely to continue in the coming years. So, if you're interested in pursuing a career in software engineering, then this video is for you. The first step towards becoming a software engineer is to learn the basics. This includes learning programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++. You can start by taking an online course or attending a coding boot camp. It's important to understand the fundamental concepts of programming before moving on to advanced topics. While it's not necessary to have a degree to become a software engineer, it can certainly help. A degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field can provide you with a solid foundation in the field. You'll learn advanced programming concepts, algorithms, data structures, and more. Building a portfolio is essential for any aspiring software engineer. It's a collection of your projects, code samples, and accomplishments. It's a great way to showcase your skills to potential employers. You can start by contributing to open-source projects, building your own projects, or even participating in coding competitions. Internships are a great way to gain hands-on experience in software engineering. They allow you to work on real-world projects and learn from experienced professionals. You can find internships through your university, job fairs, or even online. Networking is crucial in any field, and software engineering is no exception. Attend tech conferences, meetups, and events to connect with like-minded individuals. You can also join online communities and forums to learn from others in the field. The field of software engineering is constantly evolving, and it's important to keep learning. Stay up to date with the latest technologies, tools, and programming languages. You can do this by taking online courses, attending workshops, or even by self-learning. In conclusion, becoming a software engineer requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for programming. But with the right skills, education, and experience, you can build a successful career in this exciting field. Remember to keep learning and stay motivated, and you'll be on your way to becoming a skilled software engineer in no time. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. Stay tuned for more videos on other careers in technology. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.